Good morning to June 7th LeetCode challenge. Today's challenge is min cost climbing stairs. You're given an integer array cost where cost of element I is the cost of the ith step on a staircase. Once you pay the cost, you can climb either 1 or 2 steps. You can either start from step with index 0 or the step with index 1. Return the minimum cost to reach the top of the floor. So this is basically a question where we need to find the minimum of something, and then we want to make decisions based on the decisions we made previously. So it kind of sounds like a typical dynamic program type of situation problem. So we need to make a decision based on our previous decisions. So this is it's rated easy, so it's a good way to get yourself introduced to those type of questions. So let's do our basic our basic intuition. Just the first thing that pops into your mind is we've got to keep track of the steps we've taken before. So there's a hint here. It says find the f of the I final cost, climb top I, step I, then do this. So this is basically the answer, actually, for one of the problems. So we'll start off with the bare bones here. So we want to find iterate through the array starting at the second element, because the 0th and first step doesn't cost anything to step on those. All right, so we're gonna let's start for loop before I int where index equals 2 such that I is less than the cost dot length. Here I'm modifying the actual cost array itself just because there's no restrictions on modifying it. And you want to find the cost of the ith position, and you want to assign that to be the min, so math.min. Oh, by the way, I'm solving it using Java because it's an easy one. What am I doing here? So you want to increment it using the min of the cost at the, let's see, at the ith minus 1 position, along with cost of I second position minus second position. There you go. Well, this seems good. And then you want to be able to return the min of the cost at the cost dot length minus 1 and comma cost of index cost dot length minus 2. Alright, so this is just only 3 lines of code here. Let's check it out, see if it works. Oh, whoops, forgot to make I equals 2. Finish. Awesome. So let's submit it to see if it works. Great, so it's accepted. So for this one, it's quite simple. It's using the bottom-up dynamic programming technique approach to it. So in terms of time complexity here, we have a standard big O of n time complexity because we iterate through n minus 1 time for each iteration we apply. So the equation requires it O of constant time. And space complexity is also big O of n times because the array that we're going through is always 1 element longer than the array that we have. Yeah, there's another approach to this too, using the bottom-up approach with. Yeah, so that's it. Nice and short. Have a good day.